So we have 4 robots. The whole range is there on the FIRA. 2 robots for the vineyards, a compact crawler called Joe, and a straddle robot called Ted. They work mainly for mechanical weeding in the vine. Then we brought the legendary Oz that is already 10 years old, and behind me the brand new Orio. Our robots are able to ensure their own safety and the safety of goods and people. And this is a feature that is CE certified, and it's the first time that a robot manufacturer reach this level of safety for the users. So our robots have a common software. That means that each time we improve the guidance software, all the robots can benefit of this. We have all the robots that are 100% electric. So they are designed to work for like a day. And this ensures the robots not to be too heavy. So we increase the respect of soil and avoid compaction thanks to the robots.